Everyone, today I want to be discuss about issue and redemption of debentures at the time of issue, at the time of redemption. Generalize the following transactions at the time of issue and redemption of debentures. First one, a debenture issued at rupees 95, repayable at rupees 100. Each debenture is actual value of each debenture treated 100 it is. Okay, first one, debenture issue entries. Second situation, debenture redemption entries. Okay, first general entry, a debenture issued at rupees 95, repayable at rupees 100. Issued 95, that means received 95 from the debenture holder. Amount received from the debenture holder 95, repayable 100. The difference amount is to be treated as a discount, obviously. So, what is the general entry? Bank account debtor 95, discount on issue of debentures account debtor 5, 2 debentures account 100. How much amount paid? 100. How much amount received? 95. How much amount paid to the debentures? 100. So, actual value of debenture received 100. Bank account debtor to debentures account. We are receiving the amount from the debenture holder 95. We are issued the debentures to debenture holder 100. So, 95 issued the debenture 100. So, remaining amount 5 rupees is to be treated as discount on issue of debentures account, being debenture issued at rupees 95, payable at rupees 100. Next one, at the time of redemption. At the time of redemption, the debentures must be transferred to debenture holder, then after the amount paid to the debenture holder. First one, the debentures are must be transferred to debenture holder, then after amount paid to the debenture holder. First general entry, when the debentures are transferred to debenture holder at the time of redemption, two general entries is required for every transaction. First one, debenture account debtor, how much amount paid? 100. 2, debenture holders account 100, being debenture transfer to debenture holders account. Second general entry, amount paid to the debenture holder. Amount, how much amount paid for each debenture? 100. Second general entry, debenture holders account debtor 100 to bank account 100, being amount paid to debenture holder. Okay, at the time of issue, a debenture issued at 95. So bank account debtor 95, discount on issue of debentures account debtor 5, to debentures account 100. At the time of redemption, debentures account debtor 100, to debenture holders 100, being debentures are transfers to debenture holders. Next one, amount paid to the debenture holder. Debenture holders account debtor to bank account 100, being amount paid to debenture holder. This is the general entry for first transaction and for second transaction. Okay, a debenture is issued at 95. So bank account debtor receive 95, debtor 95. What is the value of debenture? To debentures account 100, actual value of debenture. So remaining 5 rupees is to be treated as discount. Discount on issue of debentures account debtor 5. Okay, but repayable at 105. So this is called premium. Premium on redemption of debenture account 5. Extra we are paying 5 rupees to the debenture holder, na? That's why this is to be treated as a loss. Loss on issue of debentures account debtor 5, being debenture issued at 95, repayable at 105. Next one, at the time of redemption entries. Okay, first debentures are transfers to debenture holder, then after amount paid to the debentures holder. First, debentures account debtor 100. Look at that. Premium on redemption of debentures account debtor 5 to debentures holders account 105, being debentures transfer to debenture holders account. Next, then after amount paid to debenture holder. Debenture holder account debtor to bank account 105, being amount paid to debenture holder. Okay. A debenture is issued at 95, repayable at 105. This is the second transaction. This is the second transaction. Bank account debtor 95, discount on issue of debentures account 5, loss on issue of debentures account debtor 5, to debentures account 100, to premium on redemption of debentures account 5, being debentures issued at 95, repayable at 105. So next one, debentures are transferred to debenture holder. Debentures account debtor 100, premium on redemption of debentures account debtor 5, to debenture holders account 105, being debentures are transferred to debenture holder. Next one, debenture holder account debtor 105 to bank account 105, being amount paid to the debenture holder. This is the general entry for second transaction. Okay. General entry for third transaction. A debenture issued at rupees 100, we are receiving 100, but repayable at rupees 5, extra amount 5 rupees paid for each debenture. Okay. How much amount actually received? Third transaction, bank account debtor, actual amount received from debenture holder 100. So bank account debtor to debenture account 100, but how much amount paid extra? 5 rupees. So to premium on redemption of debenture account, to premium on redemption of debenture account. How much amount paid extra? 5 rupees. 5. Okay. So this extra amount paid for each debenture 5 is loss. Loss on issue of debenture account debtor 5, being debenture issued at rupees 100, repayable at rupees 105. So what is the general entry at the time of issue? Bank account debtor 100, loss on issue of debentures account debtor 5, to debentures account 100, extra amount paid for each debenture na, to premium on redemption of debentures account 5. So being debenture issued at rupees 100, repayable at rupees 105. Next one, at the time of redemption. So debenture account debtor 100, debentures are transferred to debenture holder, extra amount paid, premium on redemption of debenture account debtor 5 to debenture holders account 105, being debentures transfer to debenture holders account. Next one, debenture holders account debtor to bank account. How much? 105, 105. Being amount paid to debenture holder. This is the transaction. This is the general entries for third transaction. What is that? A debenture issued 100, repayable at rupees 105. Okay, bank account debtor 100. Bank account debtor 100. Loss on issue of debentures account debtor 5. To debenture account 100. How much amount extra paid here? 5. To premium on redemption of debentures account 5. Being debenture issued at rupees 100. Repayable at rupees 5. Next one. At the time of redemption, debentures are transferred to debenture holder. Debenture account debtor 100. Premium on redemption of debentures account debtor 5. To debenture holders account 105. Next one. Debenture holders account debtor 105. To bank account 105. Being amount paid to the debenture holder. And next one. For fourth transaction, the general entry for fourth transaction. Fourth transaction, a debenture issued at rupees 105, repayable at 100. Receiving 105, repayable 100. Actually, bank account debtor 105 to actual value of debenture. Debenture account to debenture account 100. So the credit amount balance is there 5. This is premium on issue, not redemption, issue of debentures account. Because why? Here actually received 100, repayable actually received 105, received 100. Okay, that's why this amount has to be transferred to premium on issue of debentures account 5, not premium on redemption of debentures account. Being debenture issued at rupees 105, repayable at rupees, being debentures at rupees 105, repayable at rupees 100, repayable at rupees 100. Bank account debtor 105 to debentures account 100 to premium on issue of debentures account 5. Next, at the time of redemption. Okay, first debentures are transferred to debenture holder. Debenture account debtor 100 to debenture holders account 100, being debentures transfer to debenture holders account. Then after debenture holders account debtor to bank account being amount paid to debenture holder. How much amount? 105. 105. This is the general entries at the time of issue and at the time of redemption of debentures.